Vocal fold paralysis, the role of voice therapy. Does your voice sound weak, breathy, or tired? Do you run out of air when speaking? Would be vocal fold paralysis. Vocal fold paralysis is a partial weakness of one or both vocal folds. It may happen after viral infection, surgery, intubation, neurological condition, or sometimes without a clear cause. Common symptoms include breathy or weak voice, vocal fatigue, reduced volume, shortness of breath while speaking. The good news: voice therapy with a phonopedist can significantly improve vocal function. Through gentle vocal exercises and muscle coordination, therapy helps improve vocal folds closure, increase vocal strength and endurance, reduce compensatory tension, restore clear and stronger voice quality. Early intervention makes a difference. Your voice can recover with the right support and professional guidance. Follow for more insights on voice health and rehabilitation.